Welcome back, guys. It's okay. For this last video, I'm going to focus on one problem, and we're going to take our very sweet time working this problem out. This problem is similar to the problem we did on the last video, the last problem on the previous video. I want you to see what it would look like if you had to create an equation for a multi-step equation, and then you had to solve for that equation. So let's jump right in. At the end of this video, I'm going to explain to you what your assignment for this week will look like. So the first thing we want you to do is to break it down by circling our numbers. We have 5 sisters who bought 2 pairs of socks. The scarves were $12. If the total bill for all 5 sisters was $125, what was the price of 1 pair of socks? Should get some tape and tape it down. Just moving all over the place. So we're going to underline our question. And we're going to look at any operation words. So let's see if we have any operation words. So the word each is an operation word. We can use and as an operation word because we're talking about combining. We're combining things. And we talk about each. That's when you're looking at, like we did on the other side, where each kid had a milk that was $1.25. Each sister bought scarves and 2 pairs of socks. The word total. Okay, so that's good. Those are our operation words. So let's see what this equation would look like. How many sisters each had scarves and 2 pairs of socks? 5. So we're trying to find the cost of the socks. So we don't need to know, what do we need to know? We know that the scarves were priced at $12 each. They bought matching scarves, which means they only bought 1. It doesn't say they bought 2 matching scarves each. They bought 1 scarf, okay? 1 scarf cost them $12. Then what did they buy? They each bought 2 pairs of socks. So the word and implies that I need to add them together. So 2 pairs of socks. I do not know how much the cost of the socks are, which is why my question is, what was the price of 1 pair of socks? So this X is our variable to find out what the cost of the socks is going to be. Then we have our equal sign. And how much was the total? If the total bill, so total in this instance means the equal, what is it going to equal once everything is added together? The total bill for all 5 sisters was $125. Okay, now we're going to use what we know to use and solve this problem. I'm going to do my rainbow here. And 5 times 12 is 72. No. Nope. Sorry. That's 6 times 12. 5 times 12 is 60. My bad, y'all. 5 times 12 is 60. 5 times 2x is 10x equals 125. Get rid of my constant so that my variable and the coefficient can be together by themselves. 125 minus 60 is going to be 65. I have one more step, which is to divide both sides by 10. And x is going to equal, so this divided by this will give you this. So because we are talking about money, we can't just say 6.5, because when you go to the store and your bill is $6, is more than $6, they don't say $6.5, please. They'll say $6.50 or $6.28. So we need to add a zero because we're talking about money. And money, when you're using your coins, you have to have two place values. Two place values. So, as promised, we are going to be finishing up expressions and equations as of the end of this due date. Your last due date for your work or for the current assignments is June 8th. There are 3 assignments. 2 of them are considered unit tests, and I believe 1 is a unit quiz. I have to take a look. But I expect you to try your very best on these. Please do not rush. This is the last official grade for the quarter. Now, if you have not finished any of the work that I've given you since we started quarter 4, and that was on March 30th, my birthday, by the way. If you have not finished everything, you have 1 week to finish everything and to submit it. We cannot accept submissions after the 15th. So Monday, June 15th, I cannot accept anything after that date. So please, please, please make sure you have put everything, you have attempted all the assignments that I've given you. So if you need to go back, or if actually it's still on Khan Academy, go back to what you didn't do, click it and do it. I wish you guys the very best. I want you to have a very safe summer. Try to get outside and do as much walking as you can. Remain socially distant as long as your parents are telling you to remain socially distant, and stay safe. Have a good summer.